Looking at section 1.1, linear equations, problems 3, 4. Looking at number 3, negative x equals negative 10. Well, the solving for linear equations, you need to get the variable by itself. So x by itself, is x by itself? No, there's a negative in front, but there really is a negative 1 in front of x. There's an invisible 1 in front of here. So when you have a number and a variable next to each other, they are glued together by multiplication. So to get rid of it, we need to do opposite. So what's opposite of multiplication? Division. So I'm going to divide negative 1 on both sides. That left side, they're opposite, so they cancel. Bring down your x and equal. Negative 10 divided by negative 1. Two negatives make a positive 10. X equals 10. So for number 4, there's a 1/4 in front of x. They're connected through multiplication. So to do opposite, we needed to divide the fraction on both sides. So to divide a fraction, it is the reciprocal. So flipping it and changing it to multiplication. So to get rid of the 1/4, we are going to flip it and change it to multiplication. So they cancel out. Whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. So multiply by 1/4. So 4 over 1. Bring down your x, bring down your equal. Multiply the top. 1 times 4 is 4. Multiply the bottom. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 divided by 2 equals positive 2. So x equals 2. Now looking at problem number 5 from your notes, there's a 3/4 in front of x, so the same steps. They're glued together by multiplication. So to do opposite, we need a division. But with fractions, that's different. So to divide a fraction, you do the reciprocal. Flip it and change it to multiply. So over here, we're going to do 4 over 3. Whatever we do to one side, you do to the other. So on the left side, those 4's cancel, the 3 cancels. So bring down your x, bring down your equal. To make 9, negative 9 a fraction, put it over 1. So multiply the top. Negative 9 times 4, negative 36. 1 times 3 is 3. Now divide. Negative 36 divided by 3, negative 12. So x equals negative 12. Now looking at problem number 6. On the left-hand side, do we have any like terms? Can we combine anything? Yes, we can. I'm a visual learner, so I need to see it. So I have my y, 3y, and a negative y. And then I also have a negative 6 plus a 4. So I'm going to handle my y's first. We are not crossing the equal, so do not do opposite. This is the same side, so hold the signs. So 3 minus, again, this is a 1. So 3 minus 1 is positive 2y. So now let's do our numbers. We're not crossing the equal, so hold the sign. So it's just negative 6 plus 4. So negative 2, bring down your equal, and bring down your 0. So now that we can combine like terms, we need to get the variable by itself on one side. So I'm going to move that negative 2. So now I'm crossing the equal, so I need to do opposite. So what's opposite of negative 2? Plus 2. So on the left side, those cancel. So 2y equals positive 2. Now we need to get the variable by itself. We have that 2 in front of the y. They're sitting next to each other, so they're connected through multiplication. So what's opposite of multiplication? Division. So divide both sides by 2. So that left side, those 2's cancel, bring down your equal. Bring down your y. 2 divided by 2 is positive 1. So for number 6, y equals 1.